Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I guess you all are in good health. In today's video, we are making simple but delicious jollof rice. Please, after watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel. The ingredients that I'll be using for this jollof rice are chicken, my rice. I'll be using only tomato puree, that's why I called it simple jollof rice. My sliced onions, my Maggi cubes, garlic powder, curry powder, nutmeg, thyme, and my vegetable oil. Let us start cooking the jollof rice. Pour oil into your dried pot. I have finished cooking and frying the chicken. I did it off camera because I don't want this video to be long. After heating up the oil, add in your onions and fry for some minutes. Now it is time to add in our tomato puree. Like I said earlier, I am using only tomato puree. I have tomato paste here, I have red bell pepper, but I decided to use only tomato puree. Stir it and cover the pot. Cook until there is no more water in it. You can see that the water has dried up. Now it is time for us to add in our chicken stock. Add in your spices. Add in your Maggi cubes. Your ground fresh pepper. And finally your salt. Cover and allow to boil. Now it is time to add in our parboiled rice. Stir it. As you are cooking the rice, add more water if needed. Cover and cook until the rice is soft. Our rice is ready to be served. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.